How to preserve green onions for 1 year without spoiling. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever been like me, just wanted to grab a few green onions for breakfast, but when you opened the fridge, the whole bunch was wilted, soggy, and smelled bad? It sounds trivial, but in fact, it was wasted money, wasted time, and sometimes it even made me lose all interest in cooking. There was a time when I was so frustrated that I thought, okay, I won't buy green onions anymore. However, luckily, a chef with 17 years of experience at a 5-star restaurant revealed to me an extremely simple secret that keeps green onions crispy, fragrant, green all year round. And today, I will share it with you. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. When you buy onions from the supermarket, they are usually pre-processed. But if you have just picked them from the garden, remember to wash them thoroughly with clean water first. While washing, remove any yellow or wilted leaves. Not only do they look bad, but they will also cause the whole bunch of onions to spoil faster if left. Don't throw away the washing water. Use it to water your plants. It contains a small amount of organic matter and trace minerals from the coriander, which actually helps to nourish the soil and make your plants healthier. Next, put the onions in a pot. Add clean water. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir well to dissolve. Soak the onions in the baking soda water for about 5 minutes. This step helps to remove dirt, bacteria, and even pesticides left on the onions. Then take the onions out. Wash the green onions under running water. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Use a clean cloth or paper towel to dry them thoroughly. This is an important step because if the onions are still wet, they will spoil quickly when stored. Place the green onions on a cutting board and chop them into bite-sized pieces, depending on your family's usage habits. Chopping them in advance will save you a lot of time when cooking. You can choose simple, easy-to-find tools in the kitchen. A glass jar with a tight lid. A plastic jar with a tight lid. A small zip bag to easily divide the onions into portions. Put the chopped green onions in a glass jar and close the lid. Do the same with the plastic jar. With a zip bag, put the onions in and spread them evenly throughout the bag. Then use a straw to suck out some of the air, helping the onions to last longer. Finally, put all the jars and zip bags in the freezer. When you need to cook, just open the jar or take a little onion out of the zip bag. No need to defrost the whole thing. The onions still retain their aroma and beautiful green color, extremely convenient. With this method, you will no longer worry about the onions wilting or spoiling, saving both time and avoiding waste. Scallions are not only used for cooking, but also have other magical effects. Have you ever wondered why some people hang a bunch of scallions on the window? Today, I will reveal to you the secret behind hanging scallions on the window. A small tip, but with such great benefits that money cannot buy it. Sounds strange, right? Let's explore. First, we remove the damaged, rotten leaves of the scallions, keeping only the white part. When choosing, pay attention to choose plants with large, long roots. That is a delicious onion, with a strong aroma and easy to eat. After preparing, tie a bunch of scallions tightly with string. Many people simply hang the scallions on the windowsill. But this method has many limitations. The smell of onions does not spread effectively, and dust easily sticks to them. Especially when there is a lot of dust in the house, the onions get dirty and are difficult to clean. Moreover, if hung directly, after a day of hot sun, onions are prone to wilting and falling off, a waste. So, let's tweak it a bit. Pour water into the basin. Wash thoroughly, especially the roots, which contain a lot of dirt. Many people think onion roots are trash, but in fact onion roots are also edible and have high nutritional value. Onion roots contain protein, polyphenols, carbohydrates, allicin, phytosterols, which are very good for health. You can fry onion roots to mix with flour or eat with noodles, especially delicious. In hot weather like today, boiled onions in water help stimulate digestion and increase appetite. So don't rush to throw away onion roots. Now, we cut the onions into small pieces according to cooking habits. Set aside. Now we cut the onion into small pieces according to cooking habits. Set aside. Then, take a clean medical mask. Surely everyone has one at home. Cut off the top of the mask, because the mask has many layers. After cutting, it will form a convenient small bag. Put the chopped onions in the mask bag. The more the better for a stronger smell. The reason for chopping is to make the onion smell stronger. Next, take the steel wire available in the mask and use it to tie the bag tightly. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. So you have a super convenient mosquito repellent bag. Not only repels mosquitoes, this bag also repels many other insects, such as flies, ants. Just hang it on the window. The natural, pungent smell of onions will make mosquitoes run away. Benefits of using a mask. There are many thin layers that help evaporate quickly, giving off a better smell. Comes with a strap, convenient to tie. Can be hung in many places. When it is hot and sunny, people often open windows for ventilation. If your house does not have a mosquito net, mosquitoes will fill the house at night. Hang the onion bag like this on the windowsill. After a few hours of sun exposure, the oil will evaporate and the allicin in the onions will spread. Antibacterial, good for health. In addition, you can hang this onion bag on the baby's bed to repel mosquitoes. Very safe and harmless. Many people experience the situation. When the light is turned off, mosquitoes are buzzing. When the light is turned on, they are nowhere to be seen. Very annoying. At that time, they often have to use mosquito coils, mosquito repellent incense. But did you know? Most mosquito repellent incenses contain chemical active ingredients such as pyrethrin, 0.2% to 0.4%. Inhaling too much is harmful to health, can cause nausea, dizziness, especially dangerous for children. Whether it is incense, electric incense, or liquid, the principle is the same. Just different transmission methods, still insecticides. Therefore, make your own mosquito repellent bag at home with onions. 100% natural, no additives, extremely safe for both adults and children. Children have weak resistance. Using this method is both effective and safe. You can use this mask many times. The next day, replace the onion and you're done. Clean masks help keep hygiene. Dried onions can still be eaten. Very economical. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and follow to support me. Click on my avatar to see more great tips about food and life. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.